In this video, we are going to explain what is slashing and what it is used for. As you might already know, there are two main forces driving consensus in distributed networks: incentives and disincentives. In order to secure the network, all validators are incentivized to behave correctly by earning staking rewards. Similarly, there has to be a set of rules and instruments to minimize cheating and avoiding fraudulent behaviors in block production. This is where the slashing module comes in. Slashing refers to the liquidation of staked capital for malicious validators as a penalty. It is triggered by two types of event: downtime or double sign. Downtime, also referred as soft slashing, happens when a validator is unreachable by the network, for example for bad internet connection. Soft slash occurs when at least 5% of the last 10,000 blocks are not validated. This triggers the liquidation, both for validator and its delegators, of 0.01% of the total staked amount. Delegators are slashed proportionally to their stake on the network, and validator status changes from active to jailed. Double sign, also known as hard slash, is the act of signing the block's validation with the same private key more than once. This can happen accidentally or intentionally. Since such an event will compromise the network's consensus, the correspondent slash is equal to 5% of the total staked amount, burning the correspondent participation of the validator and its delegators. You can think about it like a fake vote, where someone voted more than once. This penalty is referred as hard slash also because it removes permanently the validator from the active set and is irreversible. Let's finally see some game theory effects of the slashing module. The penalty disincentive motivates validators to improve their infrastructure and develop solutions for refunding their delegators in case of slashing events, especially those who have no ability to follow up with the state of their add-on performance. Mailing block developers, for example, structured a slash refund module for Cosmos SDK, able to automatically refund delegators in case of slashing. From the delegator's perspective instead, slashing triggers a deeper due diligence and diversification amongst validators, especially after IBC and shared security upgrades, where validators will be slashable depending on conditions and number of chains they operate. Moreover, slashing acts as a decentralization mechanism, motivating redelegations to more reliable or even smaller validators.